If Grammarly is showing error 494, don't worry, this usually means there's a connection block between your browser extension and Grammarly's servers. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, open Grammarly.com in your browser. Once the page loads, go to the address bar and click the site information icon. This is the little icon that shows details about the website and your browser permissions. Next, click Cookies and Site Data. Then choose Manage on-device site data. Here, you may see save site entries that can sometimes cause connection issues. Click the trash icon next to each entry to remove the stored data, then click Done to confirm. After clearing the site data, the next step is to refresh the Grammarly extension itself. To do that, click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar. This is usually the puzzle piece icon near the top right of the browser. From there, select Manage Extensions. Find Grammarly in the list of installed extensions, then toggle it off. Wait a few seconds and then switch it back on. This simple refresh can reinitialize the extension and clear temporary connection problems. Once that's done, go back to Grammarly and test it again by opening a page where you normally use the extension. If the error was caused by a temporary browser cache or extension sync issue, this should help restore normal functionality. If it still doesn't work, you may want to repeat the process carefully, make sure Grammarly is updated, and check whether other extensions are interfering. But in many cases, clearing the on-device site data and restarting the extension is enough to fix error 494. So to quickly recap, open Grammarly.com, clear the site data, then turn the Grammarly extension off and back on again. That's just the fastest way to troubleshoot this issue and get Grammarly working properly again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.